as concerns about AI grow, how about teaching a robot to do the mundane chores that humans don't want to do? That's exactly what's happening at 1X. The company's CEO spoke to CBS News.
You can actually teleport into your robot and do small things in your house that maybe you forgot to do, right? Like feed the cat or close the window.
This is Neo, a humanoid robot that was built to do the ongoing tasks people might find annoying. Neo's skills are being tested inside Norwegian homes.
In the long term, this will be doing your laundry, cleaning your house, tidying, and generally giving you back a lot of time in life.
Standing at 5 feet 6 inches tall and weighing in at 60 pounds, this robot can walk or even run, depending on how urgent the task is. Even if you had a Neo at home, you aren't released from doing all of your chores yet. Neo learns by watching people.
How to operate objects, how to do tasks, how to handle interacting with people, body language.
Hey, could you and your friends tidy up here? We have some visitors coming.
Prior to Neo, 1X had a rolling robot named Eve. Eve gave them more knowledge to put into Neo. Unlike some AI tools, if Neo, Eve, and robots like them are doing all of our dirty work, then thinking, exercising creativity, and getting to rest are left to us. For